Hello, hello students. Welcome to your Edugani. Now we are going to discuss about typecasting in Python. Typecasting nothing but conversion of one data type to another data type. In Python, it consists of two types in typecasting. They are implicit typecasting and explicit typecasting. In implicit typecasting, one data type is converted to another data type automatically, whereas in explicit typecasting, the data type is converted into another data type with the influence of user. The data types are int, float, strings, double, like that. Okay, let us see one by one. First, we need to discuss about implicit typecasting. Okay, see. In Python, comments are included as hash symbol, implicit typecasting. Okay, let us take a equal to 7. Okay, let us try to type the type of A. Print the type of A. Print type of A. See. Int. Here it is showing int. Let us convert it into, let us say B equal to 7. Print type of B is float. Here the variable A is directly converted into integer and variable B is directly converted into float without the influence of user. Okay, for string also, let us take C equal to n. Print type of C. It will give string str. Okay, here also there is no inclusion of user. Okay, let us see in explicit typecasting. Explicit typecasting. In explicit typecasting, the user involvement is there to convert one data type to another data type. Let us see some examples. Let A equal to 10. Okay. Now, in order to convert A to float, we need one variable, another variable, B equal to float of A. So the B float of A is which is converted to int A to float A. Let us print B 10.0. Let us print A. Here 10 is coming, here 10.0 is coming. So here user is involved to convert integer to float. Okay. Let us take strings. Let us take n equal to string of 19. Okay. This can be string is converted to int for int of n. See, 19 is coming. Let us print the type of n. Type of n is string. To convert a string to integer, let us take another variable n equal to int of n. Now here the string is converted to integer. Print m. Type of m. of n. Let us execute this one. So string is converted to integer. Okay, like this only. Let us see one more example with calculation based. Let us take a equal to string 11001. This is converted to integer with base 2. Base 2 now. Let us convert this using Python. A equal to int of a comma base 2. Let us print this one. Print of b c 25. Here decimal binary numbers are directly converted to integers with the help of explicit typecasting. Here binary number 1101 with the base 2 is converted to 25. We know now. Let us see. A is converted to float. Let us take b equal to float of a. This one is converted to floating point. Print b. Let us execute this one. Here level point 0 float is came. So this will convert the string into floating point digit. Here it is converted to binary number into base 2 digit string. Binary number in the form of string. Okay. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. You are EduGani.